I welcome you all in this channel, Mathematics, named Mathematics Made Easy. Last time, in lesson number 1, I introduced the basic concepts of trigonometry, the topic which will be used maximum at the higher level for +1 and +2 classes, especially for differential calculus and integral calculus. This is the basis of the concepts, the basis of the topics in differential calculus or integral calculus. Here, last time I introduced the simple introduction, what is trigonometry. Now today we start with this lesson number 2 on trigonometry, lesson number 2. The chapter is measurement of angles. This is the first topic. The students are advised to prepare it from day 1 very clearly and try to understand the fundamentals behind it. There are three systems of measurements of the angles. The first is sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system, or it is also called English system. It will be used maximum in the study of trigonometry. Second one is centesimal system or French system. It is not so common. Moreover, I can say that nowadays it is an obsolete system. No more in the problems of trigonometry at the higher level. The third is circular system. Very important, maximum used at the advanced level or even at +1 level. Circular system. Now we just have three systems of measurements of the angles. First is the sexagesimal system, centesimal system, circular system. To measure the angles in these three different systems, we have scales. Now for sexagesimal system, that is when we measure the angle in a sexagesimal system, we have one right angle is equal to 90 degrees, 1 degree is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. This is minutes. That is the smaller of the angle degree. Degree ka small hai ye, that is a minute. And smaller than this we have seconds. The smaller of minute is the second. Ye hai sara. The biggest is taken as degree, then we have the minute, and then the smaller than this is the second. Second one is, the first here is a scale for sexagesimal, number 2 for centesimal system. Not so common. Centesimal system, one right angle is equal to 100 grades. This G is grade. Not so common at all. Grade. Then we have 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. ये देखो, minutes in the opposite direction, and 1 minute is taken as 100 seconds. This is the centesimal system. First, which is very common, the scale is one right angle is 90 degrees, 1 degree 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. And then we have one right angle is 100 grades, 1 grade is 100 minutes. Yes, this is minute, like this. Like this. And this is second, like this. But not so common at all. The third is circular system. Therefore, the main topic most common is, this is the measurement of the angle, that is circular system. Here, the unit of measurement is a radian. Very important. Here the unit of measurement is radian. Now the question arises, what is a radian? See, the question is, what is a radian? Most important is, what is a radian? See, it is the angle subtended at the center of a circle, at the center of a circle by an arc, whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Very important. Definition itself, radius of the circle. Therefore, so I say, what is the radian? This is a question mark. Radian. It is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Now, we have a problem or the result before us in the form of an article. This is article. Dekho, in trigonometry, we have not the theorems, but we have the articles. That is the standard result we try to establish. What is that? To show that a radian is a constant angle. Radian is a constant angle. The very first topic before us in this measurement of angles, this is in the form of an article, a standard result, to show that radian is a constant angle. How it is to be done? We have a circle. See, draw a circle with the center O, radius OA is equal to R. Our problem is to check up also what is the radian. See, we have a circle with the center O and radius OA is equal to R. Cut off arc AB. Cut off arc AB, this, is equal to R. Cut off this arc AB is equal to R, join OB. Then we say angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. Therefore, by definition, this angle is 1 radian. See please. What do we do with center O and radius OA is equal to R? Draw a circle. Cut off arc AB is equal to R. Join OB. Then we have OA, angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. Okay? This is by definition. 1 radian by definition. See, by definition of a radian. Now produce AO to meet the circle in C. Produce the circle AO. This is produce AO to meet the circle in C. Then we say angle AOC is equal to 2 right angle. 2 right angle. This angle, if you take up this is 2 right angles. 180 degrees, 2 right angles. And angle, how much angle AOB is 1 radian. This angle is taken as 1 radian. And this is angle AOB, this, in the anti-clockwise. This is taken as 2 right angles. Now because the angles at the center of a circle, are proportional to the arcs subtending them. Basic formula 10th classes, subtending them. Dekho, please check out. That is, we know that the angles at the center of a circle are proportional to the arcs on which they stand, subtending them. Therefore, angle AOB over angle AOC is, angle AOB upon angle AOC is arc AB upon arc ABC. Arc AB upon arc ABC. And therefore it is 1 radian upon 2 right angles is equal to arc AB. Arc AB is R upon arc ABC. That is half of 2 pi r. 2 pi r, the total circumference, half of this arc ABC. Okay? That is half of 2 pi r. And therefore we say that 1 radian is equal to, this 2 will go, it is 2 upon pi right angles. There. 1 radian is 2 upon pi right angles. This is constant. This is constant because it is independent of radius. That's why it is a constant. So we say that the radian is a constant angle. We say that the radian is a constant angle, and therefore here we get what is called in trigonometry, the language is corollary. That is the result we draw from the standard one. 1 radian is 2 upon pi right angles, and therefore this is corollary. We write in short as COR. Corollary क्या है? Pi radians is equal to 2 right angles. See, pi radians is equal to 2 right angles, and therefore we say this is corollary number 1. Also number 2, that is pi radians is equal to 2 right angles is equal to 180 degrees is equal to 200 grades. Because देखो 1 right angle from here, 1 right angle is 90 degrees, 2 right angle is 180 degrees. And similarly in grades, or we say that pi radian is 2 right angles is 180 degrees, 200 grades. This is the relation between the radian, right angles, degrees or grades. That is the system connecting circular system, sexagesimal system, centesimal system. With the help of this now we can convert the whole of the system, say from circular to sexagesimal, from sexagesimal to circular, similarly from say centesimal to sexagesimal and so on. ठीक है, sufficient. Okay, शुरू करूं? चलो. That means now let us take what we have done. See, measurement of angles, 3 systems of measurements, sexagesimal, centesimal, circular systems. Scale is before us. Then we have a circular system, the major portion, the unit of measurement is a radian. The question is what is a radian and how to show that radian is a constant angle. Now let us introduce this whole of the topic we have done, make it clear with the help of a few examples. But before that, write down a note. Here, note. See, we have used here pi. The Greek, that is pi. Pi is a standard constant. It is an irrational number and its value is double 2 upon 7 or 355 upon 113 or 3.1417. But the most common at our level is this is an irrational number whose value is double 2 upon 7. This we shall be using when we study the concepts of trigonometry, the trigonometrical ratios and the measurements of angles in circular system. Now let us make this concept clear by taking a few simple examples. लिखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देख लें, ठीक है? Let us see. First is find in circular system. Now I write down find in circular system. A few examples we take. Number 1, 75 degrees. The conversion from sexagesimal to circular, then it is 330 degrees. Number 3, we can go for minus 22 degrees, 30 minutes. One thing should be noted, there are no commas here. It is minus 22 degrees, 30 minutes. Now let us take up the conversion from circular, finding circular system. That is, we have to convert from sexagesimal to circular system. First one. It is 75 degrees. When you talk about 75 degrees, use the scale. 180 degrees is 2 right angles is pi radians. So I am to convert into what is called the circular system. Okay? That means 1 degree pi upon 180 radians. यहाँ radians के लिए write here C. And 75 degrees is equal to 75 upon 180 pi this much radians. That becomes here, when you simplify at this level, it becomes like 5 pi upon 12 radians. This is 75 degrees is equal to 5 pi by 12 radians. Then number 2. Now go to 330 degrees. See, 180 degrees, scale को use करो, is equal to pi radians. 1 degree pi upon 180 radians or 330. Use the scale, that is 330 upon 180 into pi. This is a radians. Now this will go, it is how much? Like 11 upon 6 pi radians. Verify this. It becomes 11 pi upon 6. When I put up there C, C means the radian. Or I write here degree, like this, it is a radian. But it is not so common, it is okay, we can use it. Now the third one is, it is minus 22 degrees, 30 minutes. First of all, convert 30 minutes into degrees. Dekho, it is how much? 60 degrees, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Use the scale. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 1 minute is 1 upon 60 degrees. And therefore 30 minutes is equal to half degree. Half degree. That is 30 minutes is equal to half degree. So we have minus 22 degrees 30 minutes is equal to minus of, it is 22 plus half total degrees. That becomes here minus 45 upon 2, this much degrees. The minus will continue as it is. Now use the scale here as before. See, it is 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, 1 degree pi upon 180 radians, or minus 45 upon 2 degrees is equal to minus pi upon 180 into 45 upon 2, this much radians. इसको simplify कर लो, you will get the result. That is, simplify this, you will get it is just minus pi upon 8 radians. So this is the conversion we can talk about in the circular system. For example, I can take one more, say the fourth one, it is 45 degrees. Very simple, 45 degrees, you can try here, this is the fourth part, that is 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Therefore 45 degrees is pi by 4 radians. Okay? Let's now convert, say question is now find in degrees. In the reverse order, now it is find in degrees pi upon 9 radians. Pi upon 9 radians. So very simple. Now apply the scale in the reverse order. We say pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So pi by 9 radians, pi by 9 radians will be equal to, how much it is? 180 upon pi into pi upon 9 degrees. That is just 20 degrees. So in this way we can say that pi upon 9 radians is 20 degrees. Similarly, now write down this similarly in short. Similarly, we say pi by 3 radians. Very simple, pi by 3 radians is equal to 60 degrees. And so. So we continue like this. See, in this case we have discussed here the conversion in a very simple way from circular system to the sexagesimal system, or from sexagesimal system to the, starting from this finding degrees, from the circular system to the sexagesimal system, and vice versa. The rest of the same topic we shall take up in the third lesson. Here, for this moment, we just stop it. Thank you.